Convincing people to preserve 1/3 of the world's land and oceans is a tough sell, especially when nations are deciding how to stop emitting all greenhouse gases. But that's the goal at which Enric Sala aims in his book, The Nature of Nature, Why We Need the Wild. Sala notes free services we get from land and water that we discount in economics. Half of our oxygen comes from forests and plants on land, but oceans generate the other half through seaweed, microscopic plants, and bacteria. Mangroves on the shores nurture fish and reduce flooding. Bees and bats pollinate crops. Natural areas draw tourists, from hikers to scuba divers. Protected waters contain less bacteria. Land boundaries between people and animals reduce opportunities for diseases to cross over to humans, as COVID-19, Ebola, and other maladies have done. Sala, who's an ocean researcher, quit university life to lead the Pristine Seas project for National Geographic, but he's made thousands of dives in which he's seen the difference that fishing bans make. Fish populations rise so much that the catch on the boundaries of the protected areas also increases. And by cordoning off 35% of the ocean, the worldwide fishing fleet could shrink and still increase its catch. On land, people have replaced nature's smorgasbord with single crops, from corn in Iowa to palm plantations in Indonesia. We humans and our livestock now make up 96% of the mass of mammals on Earth. Lions, tigers, bears, and everything else weigh in at 4%. Sala said, while suggesting that we eat less meat. Preserving more land and water, he said, preserves gifts from nature that will help us reduce carbon and feed 9 billion people in the next 30 years.